just south of Rolling Fork. We got a large wedge tornado approaching town right now. That's the town. It's in the direct path of the tornado. And we're just to the south of town. Tornado's coming straight at us. Is it moving left to right? Like, is it going to the right? I have it opened up. We're doing it. It's gonna hit this town. It's literally going for the town. Oh my, this is not good. This is not good for this town. Oh my gosh. It's gonna go straight in this town. Slow down. Let's get a bearing here.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Go out my window.
Where is it?
You can hear it. Hear it? Hear it? Hear the roar?
Slow down.
Power flash right there. Just saw a
Where
power
is
flash.
It's
right
crossing right in front of us. Violent tornado.
It might be expanding, so.
Put your hazard.
Get my hazards on.
Yeah, there you go. They're on.
It's really big.
This is bad.
Rain. Deep. I don't know, it's pretty dangerous right now.
This is very strong wind.
Very strong.
Holy.
It might be expanding. It's huge.
It's a huge tornado.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going through the town now.
Yeah.
Oh, right in front of us.
Okay, power flash.
It's in front of us. Oh no. It's going straight through the town. It's I don't know, a piece of metal or something. Okay, oh yeah, we got damage here now. This is where the tornado came through.
Down.
Yeah, buildings,
tree down.
significant damage. Yeah. Oh man.
Trees down.
Oh man. Oh, we got bad. Oh, we got bad damage here. Got houses messed up.
Roof off the house on the left.
Roof off the house on the left. All right, we have to go search and rescue now.